Hey everyone, it's Selena here at Amore Fabrics. I have my miniature journal kits that I bring every year to you guys. Today's Cyber Monday, I had them on sale for only $8. Yep, $8 and some change. The only way to get that is with this code down below. I have a shop sale going on, and with that code below that Etsy has provided for us today on Cyber Monday, it brings it down to $8 a kit. Usually the kits are $12 for these individual book kits, but I got them for you guys for low as $8 thanks to Etsy today and the Cyber Monday sale. Here's what the kits look like. You get pretty much 3 signatures that are going to be in this kit of papers for you. It's going to provide you all the hardware, including the embroidery floss, the needle, the hardware, and the book pages for you to do. Like I said, Etsy has given us code, which here's the code down below. Don't forget to put that code in at checkout. As you can see here, these are just absolutely beautiful. Now, don't forget that code is also good for anything in my shop as well. It's not just for these kits. I have a lot of items in the shop that are 20% off. That coupon included with my coupon will take you 40% off on a lot of the items that are in the shop. So make sure you take a peek at what's in the shop. Down below is the direct link. If you don't have the link and can't get to the shop, just message me and I'll send you the direct link to the shop and or the kits or anything in the shop. This coupon is good only until midnight tonight. Before I go, I want to give you guys a sneak peek of the new kits that I'll be adding to the shop starting tomorrow. We have the Christmas Slow Stitch kit that is going to be just amazing little kit, already prepackaged, ready for as a gift for a friend or for yourself. Beautiful kit, all the vintage Christmas embellishments and pieces in it is just adorable. Next up, I can't wait to share with you guys the Holly Hobby and Bobby Hobby junk journal kits, mini junk journal kits. This kit will include everything you need to make these 2 mini journals for a friend. I also included it into a box that will give you a envelope with a letter that talks about what a friend is, which is totally adorable. This is a perfect gift for a friend who's crafty or for yourself if you want to make them. But they're cute little, you can hang them on the Christmas trees or you can use them just on a shelf. The little loop there on the side is also great for a tassel. Many options and choices. Those are going to be both into the shop this coming week. I hope you guys take a peek at that. I just absolutely love it. Those kits were originally made for my friends that I have sent and shipped out to, and I decided to put them in the shop for you guys in case you want to do the same thing for yourself and your friend. You guys have a wonderful week. I'm super excited about the new things that'll be added to the shop. Goodbye.